What's up guys, in this video I'm going to present you the BETAFPV Air65 Freestyle drone, and this is its propeller. Can you guess how small is this drone? This is the Nano RX from Crossfire, and this is how small this propeller is. The drone of course is small as well, and I can't wait to see actually how small it is and how it flies. So this is the box in which the drone comes, and I'm gonna unbox it very quickly and then we will take this drone to a flight, so stay tuned, don't leave the video. And one thing that I have to do is to replace the ERS receiver, because this drone comes with an ERS receiver and I don't have ERS around. I'm only using Crossfire, so I will have to replace the module, and I'm able to do that because it is external. But until then, let's see what this box contains. So, very small box, and I see that I have an HQ prop bag inside. Same small props that I present you at the beginning, and an adapter for the Betaflight configuration, because this drone is so small, so you don't actually have a Type-C connector on it. And the drone, look at it, it's so tiny. This is the drone, I can't believe how tiny it is. Man, I will be able to fly in house. Nice. And that's it, nothing else in the box, unfortunately. And I'm saying unfortunately because I also received these battery packs, and because it's my first tiny whoop, I don't have a charger for them. These batteries are high voltage batteries. Let me take them out. And they have 300 milliamps capacity, 75 C, and I don't know how I will charge them, as I said. Also, the drone has some very tiny brushless motors, and if I'm looking closer to them, they are 23,000 kV, brother. That's a lot. That's a lot. I wonder what would happen if I connect this drone to a 6S pack. That would be interesting. It has an AIO that also acts as a flight controller and at the same time as an ESC. It has an ERS external receiver, which is right here, and a very small FPV camera. So this is going to be flew with the analog system. It doesn't provide a digital system because it's so small, but I think that's good enough to have a lot of fun with it indoor. Okay, so I'm not gonna waste your time anymore. I will just replace the receiver very fast and take this drone to the flight test. And here is the drone with the new receiver. I'll put it on the scale, and it has 18 grams. Yes, let's weigh it again. 18 grams. And the batteries, because these are so small, there are 5 of them, and I will weight them together. So around 41 grams divided by 5, it's 8 grams per battery. Let's take it flying. So it's literally the first test. I wanted initially to fly it without the goggles, but I will fly it with the goggles. Let's do it. Oh man, crazy. Jesus, whoa! Dang, that is big. Man. So far so good. First crash. Let's do it one more time. Whew. crazy, man. Can I power loop the table? That's so funny. It takes, I think, just one flight to get used to it, and it flies really well, really well. I haven't expected that. Telemetry lost, I don't know why that, but I think the battery is done. One more try. Oh! The fresh battery power is very... Whoa! It's nice that anytime you crash it just flips in the right position and... Hello, brother! It looks very good, so after 2 flights with some crashes, I'm shaking like I'm flying a 7-inch indoor, but that's always the case. It looks nice. Awesome, guys, awesome. So thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this little drone, and if you like it, buy one. I think you will have a lot of fun with it, as I had today, and I will also have the next days. So don't forget to like my video, it will help a lot with the algorithm, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!